Guys, so today we are back in Trelawny. We're at the Idol Great House, but this is not what I'm filming today. I'm just starting the vlog here. We will be heading to the Vale Royal Plantation, the Vale Royal Estate and the Great House. Alright guys, so we'll check out that. So follow me.
Check in, blessed.
Yeah man.
Blessed love, God for outside. And
sir.
Alex.
Yes man.
How you mean?
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us.
Come around, look for them, you know. Holy pressure.
There's no spot today, no that.
No, yes, sir. Just
Come
come
on. Then now get up in there.
Yeah?
Then now get up in there.
No, no, no,
The last time I was at Idol, I did not get a chance to see inside of the windmill tower because it's all overgrown. But luckily, Godfrey's here. Godfrey loves to climb and he will be climbing up to the windmill tower to see if we can see inside. So stay tuned. One's supposed to be around at the front. Yeah. No. One entrance supposed to run at the front where you can walk, but you know. Godfrey loves climbing up. Careful enough of it. Can you see in there? Yo. Why in there? Yeah man, a windmill up on it. The mill still in there? Yeah, that me I saw an entrance on our front. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, like one upstairs doorway. Yeah. Okay. You hold them in there. Oh. We're trying them. So we are in Trelawny today, and at this moment we are searching for the Vale Royal Great House and Estate. Alright, but we kind of have a little difficulty. We found this entrance, got free up there search. It seems that it was a cattle pen, and kind of confirm it. May I show you all that, guys. Alright. Oh, you reach over there? Show it. Yeah, guys, so yeah, man, it was a cattle pen for sure. This are the cattle pen feed. You know, so over there, so Vale left for sure. It's like it was a cattle pen feed.
See where they walk up and they go in a vehicle over the stuff and stuff. You know what I mean? And the kids go.
Yeah, guys, this is how it looks. We have over here. So from the outside, so it was a break in the wall right here. Yeah, guys, so we still are searching Vale Royal. We don't find it yet, but we think we're close. Just the fact that we have found this seems to have been the cattle pen for the estate. Alright, so not sure, but we make you know, guys. Yeah, peeps, so this is out on the main look. Back out the road. Yeah, guys, so coming up on the road, we saw this wall alongside the road, and I look on it and I say, this is not like a man-made wall, it's a natural wall. Look at those stones that would have been used to make this wall, guys. Now, I don't really know if it's a wall or not, but then we see an entrance in the wall, like a cave where you can go through and go over the next side, so it seems as if it is a wall. Now wind up the window then, God. Yeah, guys, so this is how it looks. And this right here seems to be an entrance. Is that tower this way? There's a hole this. Go up there, not up there.
No. This is a hole.
Look here, guys.
Look at it.
You catch me? Yeah, peeps. There's a hole where dig out in the ground. So that become an entrance. But I still see like stone down in it, yo.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
That me no do. Windmill road come through that stuff. And if you notice, look bro, the packing of the base up there, so them place there like a pack them.
Like a pocket pop down?
Place there, the park of the stuff. This is after the sun really good.
Nothing up here. Nothing at all up here, guys.
And them a farm down a bottom.
Just
there.
the wall.
Oh, the light and power man them that.
To go through.
Yeah. Yeah, I could go back down. You can walk up on the road, bro. You will come more. I walk on.
From the information I found after filming, this was actually a rock quarry. This was where they got the cut stones to build the Georgia Great House Mansion. Also, there is a picture which I'm going to be sharing on screen which shows the location of the house in regards to the quarry or the works. Yeah, guys, as I said, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I up here Vale Royal, but we saw a house up on the hill, guys, where we have to check it out. Around the corner around here. Alright, so That we are doing.
There's a difference to it. Funny, you know.
A man made something that, you know.
Man made something. Them dig it out.
And another entrance in there could have black lead to somewhere. Remember the ancestors work when invasion come through to, you know, man. Cause that look old, ancient, as it grow like a mountain. Even the front part, that's how it cut to go in. You see how them big stone down, that's how it cut and shape flat, and how them base and all the one them were going up.
Big stone them look like, actually it's a truck that gone up there, son. Big stone them just look like them put there.
Them put there. The one them down at the front where the wall there, so.
I understand.
Oh, something can help that. The road look historic too, you know.
Different kind of stone, you know.
Different kind of stone, you know.
One of the house there, you know. That one are really covered, but you have to watch your 6 when you come at them places.
I would hope so.
You hear that?
Yes, man, that's how it works. Knowledge of power, man.
One of the house there, man.
We know.
You can't do nowhere, it's a part else you say.
You see me?
Tell me now.
Go right.
Right, now go.
To look on that side.
What part else you for the turn around, you see that? See that?
Alright.
Yeah guys, so I'll check the building here and see if this is the building that we look for. I think it, but I'm not sure. Monument over there, good the wall, man. I'm gonna see if this we look for. At the time of filming this video, we really thought we were on our way to find the Vale Royal Great House. However, after reviewing these video clips and doing research to confirm my findings, I realized that this was actually the Georgia Great House and Plantation. So forgive me guys, in this clip you will hear me refer to this house as the Vale Royal Estate or the Vale Royal Great House. However, this is the Georgia Great House and Plantation.
All stony buildings, like I used to know about.
Colonial house. The next one's supposed to be behind it now. But the Georgia Estate is a remarkable historical property, deeply rooted in Jamaica's rich and diverse cultural heritage. The estate is situated in the parish of Trelawny, and its earliest record dates back to 1778, when it was purchased by the Honourable John Grant, a Scottish planter. Grant was a member of the Grant family of Castle Grant in Moray, Scotland. He was a prominent planting attorney in Western Jamaica. In addition to his role as a planter, he served as the Chief Justice of Jamaica from 1783 to 1790. No, this is an old house too. It's another tower. Let me read that sign. Trespassers will be prosecuted. Guys, I'm not trespassing. So if you see that video, I'm not trespass. I'm actually create content that people can watch and be educated about our history. Alright. More building around here now. Hello? Have to call. Somebody can there. Georgia Estate was initially a sugar plantation, producing 140 hogsheads of sugar annually. However, Grant believed that the property had the potential to produce at least 200 hogsheads of sugar a year, and saw its purchase as not only a bargain, but a shrewd investment.
Yeah, I can look a better look.
Yeah guys, look at this. Yep. In 1778, shortly after he bought Georgia Estate, Grant offered to resell the plantation to his friend Charles Gordon, a Scottish aristocrat. Gordon accepted the offer and purchased the Georgia estate for an undisclosed sum. Right here. So this is another side of the building right here. This looks like one of the outer house. I'm like, I don't know what it is. I'm going inside to look.
You want me to think, Pally?
Give me a hand.
But I'll be honest with you.
Piece of concrete, that's a chimney.
That something like, you know.
Chimney the
I want to try go up there.
There guys, a chimney the up in the tree, guys. It grow up through the tree.
And it grow through the tree, grow right round them place there, the building. Grow take over them place there. You see me?
Like a cooking here right now. Chimney and sink there so. The original house over there, I got for. This was part of the original house. Stretch around them, isn't it? If you go back, you see it. Before leaving Jamaica in 1793, Gordon appointed the Honorable John Grant and his younger brother Francis Grant as planting attorneys for the management of Georgia Estate. Francis Grant managed the plantation until 1793, after which the Gordon family continued to own it until 1894. During this time, the plantation was divided between their country estate at Kearness in Perthshire, Scotland, and their sugar plantations in Jamaica. Thereafter, the Georgia estate and Great House was occupied by a succession of planting attorneys during their absence. In 1894, Charles Thomas Gordon, the last of the Gordon family to own Georgia estate, sold the plantation to his planting attorney in Jamaica, Archibald Cunningham Uchen. Uchen bought the property in partnership with Frank John Constable Curtis, a West India merchant in London who was senior partner in the firm of Curtis, Campbell and Company that owned extensive amounts of sugar plantations in the British West Indies. So I'm not sure what this building was, but this is on the estate. So, you know the tree literally covered the chimney? You can't see it from no angle, you know? I can't see in the chimney, but nothing else. Godfrey. Yeah. Yo, where there? Yeah. Oh. You see you, man. Energy no good over that place. Yeah. Sure. Guys, that are inside of the chimney. That's inside of the chimney, guys. In 1935, Frank John Constable Curtis formed a new company called Stewart Castle Limited with Arnold Ethelbert Mushet, the son-in-law of Archibald Cunningham Uchen, and G.P. Dewar, the owner of Stewart Castle Estate, Harmony Hall Estate and other plantations in Trelawny. Well, the tree literally grew over the chimney, cover it up all around. In 1955, Arnold Ethelbert Mushet bought out his business partners and founded Vale Royal Estates Limited, a new company that owned Vale Royal Estate, Georgia Estate and other plantations in Trelawny. This was later sold to Long Pond Estates Limited in Trelawny, and Arnold Ethelbert Mushet retired as a sugar planter.
There's some people now trying to be safe, you know?
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah.
You
They
see
are
it.
not trying to be soft. So we don't want to really yeah.
Yeah guys, so that's the house from another side. That are the Great House, you know, man. Very right. Never know would I find it. As a matter of fact, I know would I find, never know would I find it so quick. You know? Rest of building them on and stuff. Yeah, guys. This is another side of the building right here. And this goes all the way down, including a part with a arch. Not sure what that is for. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, guys, this is what in here looks like. Looks like a toilet. Yeah. You see them board there, guys? Them board there how much years, you know, man. And them still there, standing. Nah, rotten. See you next part over there, so. You see, them build that just like how this did for stay, you know.
Yeah,
this are the older house.
There. Yeah, that one there.
Bathroom there, so still, no? We're on the other side there. This is one house part.
Yeah.
You're going there?
No, we don't know where the rest are going.
Yes, sir. Look out for us. Oh, no entrance, and they forgot another part there from us, sir. Just the wall. See the guys? So now look what they over behind the building. See if not there over there. Yeah, guys, I saw down this just here. The peeps. So this is rather interesting. During the time that the Mushettes occupied the Georgia Great House, the Great House and its gardens were among the loveliest in Trelawny. The Georgia Great House remained a private residence until the 1970s, when it was abandoned. Consequently, the once magnificent house fell into ruin. Today, the property has been refurbished, but to the detriment of its former glory. The once beautiful property has been hideously disfigured under the guise of refurbishment. Today, what was once a beautiful house now looks hideously disfigured. The refurbished roof alone is a total travesty, an uncalled for ruination of this former classic piece of architecture. Could be. Water, man, a well, man. 2 wells. Yeah, guys. So they had 2 wells. Very deep. The one here still having water. Godfrey, careful, you know. And they still having water, guys. Godfrey. This one too around at the back? Okay. I walk on the next side, I don't cross around on the thing. You see them old in the house all around, don't you? The old them in the house. The house are the big build expensive, you know.
Yeah, man, it's very.
You see the arch them?
Yeah. And it's also a year old for like that.
Well old. Yeah. Can be gun hole and it can be ear hole. That's another one there, guys. Blocked up. No. Cause that soft one there, you can't swim out tight, you know. I bet you drop in the water. Cause you can't swim in the water. You can swim in the water, but you can't swim in that. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to show you around the other side of this house. That's another hole on the wall right there. Seems like these were gun holes or ear holes, I'm not sure. Could be gun holes because them 2 central part of the building, these were well protected. You know? So it could be gun holes. I no gun hole in a Godfrey. You know why I say so? Why they not have none around here, sir? Them have in the ground it look like them have a cellar under this. Them have hole in there, you know. Gun hole in the wall. Couple gun hole in there. Underground. Yeah, the round hole. Yeah guys, this is the other side of the house. I'm showing you around here now. One basement under there, no Godfrey. This is the other side of the house, guys. But there is indeed a basement under here. Gun hole. Okay. Are ear holes, I'm not sure what they are. But these are holes. Seems like a well over there, guys. Yeah, peeps. It's around at the back. Let's see if I can see inside. That's the inside, guys. Seems it was either they move out the thing, them guys, or it was ransacked. And we still not see the tower, guys. It's a beautiful view. Guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, just remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so, as it really does help the channel. Alright. Looking good. Inside empty.
Alright.
Let them clean out inside.
Yeah.
Guys.
So,
them look like a ear hole.
yeah,
peeps.
see cellar, I push in there and look in there and the cellar gone right out. So, people look at this.
Yeah, man, I see it, man. I see it. Here, guys, now look on the next one. Okay. So, yes, peeps, this is the Vale Royal Great House. I've always wanted to come here. No, it's a fountain, you know, like a bird fountain. Yeah. See it, guys. So, oh, this is at the back of the house. That's it. Could have been the front. But them renovated for around us, so become the front door. You see the step? Entrance. And they had a great view. A lovely view up here. If them cut down these, I see all over. Yeah guys, so we can move on. Yeah peeps, get house.
Man, Elite Jamaica official channel.
Yeah.
Brother Alex outside.
Outside.
See him there, my people.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Godfrey and Alex out here, my people. You have
Yes,
to like.
man.
You
Share,
all can like,
subscribe.
share, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell because we research, my brother research good history, you know, my people. I know Godfrey is here with my brother, you know, we research good history. So
And that's the way how
one
to really
step at
help
a
the
time.
channel.
That's
Like, share, subscribe if you
Yeah.
love to see videos like these. And if you don't want to see more videos like these. Alright? Yes man, so we're outside.
that is it.
We'll move on, you know, we'll try to find something else. I don't really feel I want to got for big man thing. You see me? I don't find a tower now. I want to find a tower. Yeah, we'll move on because we have all the time. The last time when we come to Idol, them time when I reach down here, you know. Yeah guys, so we're back on the hunt, on the Great House hunt. We just find the railway, we find the old one, and the one we built. The one that the new one look really astonishing, but I don't really feel that one here, peeps. So, you know me, on the journey again, I try to find something else. I want to find one tower today, guys, and I think we can find one tower. Type yes in the comment if you think we're going to find a tower. Any kind of tower, even if it's a windmill tower, alright? Yeah man, we're up on the road. So, we just see something else look like another colonial house. Okay, I'm going to check that one out. Watch you know, no man Godfrey. Guys, you know look there over there, so. You know look there. No more I feel that one. I want to see that on my face though. We just have a little allergic reaction. You know? Yeah guys, so this is a piece of construction. I'm not sure how we'll get inside, but feel like we can walk around on the other side going. And do the right, so still no. I'm going to check around on the next side and do the round this. I'm going to check around on the next side. As I was leaving the Georgia Great House, I came across a charming Georgian-style house perched on top of a nearby hill. Curiosity got the best of me, so I parked the car and made my way up the hill towards the house. Upon arriving, I was met by a friendly young man who greeted me and informed me that the house on the hill, which got me curious, was indeed the Georgia Estate Overseer's house. Building over there, guys, but like a problem to get you. So what we have to do? I walk around at the front. Now we're not around the front. Around our next side we have to. One door around this.
Find out.
Yeah, around this first. Great house, colonial house. That's a colonial house too. All of them. Yeah guys, so I check out the house here, okay, so this is a colonial house. Just don't know the name of it, but I'm gonna check it out. Yeah peeps, so they're in a Trelawny searching for great houses here on the Western Jamaica. If you're enjoying this video so far, remember you can always subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, you know, that really helps the channel. Okay, I understand. Yeah guys, so this is another colonial house. Just showing you the front because it's occupied, so you know when I will go inside. We all can see. Godfrey, now block you. No, man. Yeah peeps, look at the steps guys. Real colonial style. What's your son name, bro? Georgie.
Yeah man, George.
Okay.
Hold on.
So but this one I make.
Oh, I find the one over there, so you know.
This is a different fan than one I want to see.
Oh.
And so more over so.
Over so?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to do Idol cross over the next side already, you know.
Idol too.
Easy, man. And this one all also there a long time to do.
Yeah.
Over to your house.
Yeah.
Easy, man.
But this is house
This are the original. Okay.
I want the cloth of over so.
Okay. Alright, we have to find them, man. Is it? But this is a history. It's a real history, bro.
Yes, man.
Easy, man. Although, can you see them? They
I
kind of
love people come
refurbish
and
it
see
and
me, my
everything.
wife will come out to see me.
Now I couldn't help but wonder about its history. All I know so far is that Thomas Gordon founded the Georgia Estate, which spanned over 1,389 acres of land. I want to discover as much as I possibly can about this great house and its fascinating past. If any subscriber, visitor to my channel have any information, it would be greatly appreciated. The two-story house is made of square-cut stones, likely brought from England as ballast in ships hauling sugar. Both floors were constructed of stone, and there is a large cut stone staircase to the front of the house.
Over here. As we all see in St. Thomas, the houses are different. They are different columns. These are mostly like colonial Georgian houses. They weren't built too strong like the St. Thomas one them. However, it's still part of our history, you know. These are the older houses. This was an overseer house as to what the website say. So I'm gonna share the link to the website where I get some of the information from. And just want to say thank you to that person that runs the website. I remember the name, I'll put the name on screen. That is how I can find these places in Trelawny, because I'm not familiar with Trelawny. Now you notice this walls, guys. Look at this wall. In St. Thomas, we would see more of these walls on the houses. However, they build different down here in Trelawny. Yeah, it seems that this house is occupied, so I'm not film for long.
Although its hip roof is now covered with corrugated metal, the house's historic charm remains intact. The original kitchen outbuilding at the back of the house stands in ruins and was scarcely visible. The Georgia Estate is easily recognizable, located off the Clarkstown or Duncan's Road, just a few kilometers south of Clarkstown. Chief Justice of Jamaica John Grant bought the estate in 1778. He was also an attorney for several other estates who became wealthy from Jamaican sugar. He retired to Scotland in 1790, selling the Georgia estate to his friend Charles Gordon.
Godfrey, you have the bleach on the plane? Plane soon come on. Them have a port out here, it look like. See that nice see? Yeah, ship can come out there. Dead End Beach peeps. Montego Bay, St. James. Yeah, man. I try to get a pick of a plane landing. Dead End, Buccaneer Beach. People don't want to see how Godfrey angle the two camera them like a sword man. A wicked shooter, you know. If I did shoot, you shoot.
I tell you, Virginia, that is it for people.
Montego Bay in the evening time,
Yeah,
peeps.
man.
Going down in the traffic.
Yeah.
Been a hard day, hectic day, so the traffic help me relax.
True.
If it help Godfrey relax. Godfrey seem
Yeah,
kind of upbeat and excited still.
Yeah, that's true for people. You see that? That's true what art. You see
Montego
that?
Bay, red plate on the BMW.
Yeah,
Montego Bay is a place
you
to
know.
make you feel like you're
Yeah.
foreign.
I feel like a foreign, you know, say a foreign, I tell the people and say me all go take plane and then say me go up on the plane. Then say me go near the plane and come back. Sure. Look at the beach, my people. Very beautiful from this angle. In this direction. Look out there. My God. Yeah. See the peeps. Look up that side there. See the people? The beach there. Yeah. Don't catch for me something in our music. Me there are my friend them, my all time friend them. And me Godfrey outside. Oh you mean? You see that? Foreign me come. Oh you mean? You see that? Yeah. That is it. Yes, a man know how to cut out in all that
Yes,
some blind music and do
Yes,
some
man.
something. I don't know there's something there yet. You see it, my people? And a joke. We soon learn still enough. On the truth, I not focus on something from what day. You know what I mean, Alex? Being honest. I just, you know?
True.
Yeah, man. I go and take it one day at a time. When the time comes, when the thing ready to learn, one day I sit down and put that subject to the brain. It well learned. Yes, my people.
Yes, Papa.
Yeah, man. Look at that. Yeah.